Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to view email without opening it in Microsoft Outlook. This is incredibly useful when you want to preview your messages quickly without marking them as read, allowing you to keep track of which emails still need your attention. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and logging into your account. Once you're logged in, give it a moment to load all your emails into your inbox. This initial step is essential because we need access to your full email environment before we can adjust any settings. Make sure everything has loaded properly before moving forward. Once your emails have been loaded and you can see your inbox, it's time to navigate to the settings where we can make this change. Look toward the top part of your screen where all your tools and menus are located. You'll see several tabs there, and what you're looking for is the File tab. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up the File menu, which gives you access to a variety of account and application settings. After clicking on File, a menu will appear with several options. Take a look at the bottom part of this File menu. You should see a link labeled Options. This is where Outlook houses most of its customization features. Click on Options, and an Outlook Options window will pop up on your screen. This window is your control center for tailoring how Outlook behaves. Now, within this Outlook Options window, direct your attention to the left side menu. You'll notice several tabs listed there, and you want to find and click on the one labeled Mail. Clicking on Mail will open up the Mail settings section, where you can adjust how your emails are displayed and managed. This is where the magic happens for our specific task today. Under the Mail settings, look carefully for a button called Reading Pane. It might take a second to spot, but it's there among the options. Click on the Reading Pane button, and a new Reading Pane window will appear. This window contains specific settings related to how you preview and interact with your emails before fully opening them. In this Reading Pane window, you'll see a list of options that control the behavior of your email previews. What you're looking for is an option that says Mark Item as Read when selection changes. This option is likely checked by default, which is why emails get marked as Read when you simply click on them to preview. To view emails without opening them and without marking them as read, you need to disable this option. Simply remove the check from the checkbox next to it. Once you've unchecked that option, click on OK to save and apply your changes. The windows will close and your new settings will take effect immediately. Now, when you click on an email to preview it in the reading pane, it won't automatically be marked as read. This gives you the flexibility to review your messages at your own pace and decide which ones truly need your attention. And there you have it. You've successfully configured Microsoft Outlook to let you view emails without marking them as read. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.